Hello everyone, welcome to Tsofttech.
Where we embark on an exciting journey into the world of data science. I am thrilled to introduce you to our comprehensive data science and machine learning course, where we will explore a wide array of topics crucial to your success in this field. There are no prerequisites for this course. Anyone who has no knowledge in coding or in data science can learn this course, and you will be able to follow the course without advanced mathematics or coding background. Do not worry if you have no coding background or if you are just taking your first step in data science. People from technical as well as non-technical background will be able to learn this course. In this course, you will unlock the power of data. Let's start with the Python, the backbone of data science. Python is a versatile programming language used for data analysis, visualization, and machine learning. From building simple scripts to developing complex algorithms, Python is your gateway to the world of data manipulation. Next up is SQL, the language of databases. Structured query language allows you to manage, manipulate, and retrieve data stored in relational databases. Whether you are analyzing user behavior for an app or organizing customer data for a business, SQL is essential. Now, let's talk about statistics. It is the science of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, presenting, and organizing data. Understanding statistics is crucial for making informed decisions. For instance, in healthcare, statistics help analyze patient data to improve treatments and outcomes. Now, we move on to exploratory data analysis. EDA is the process of examining a data set to summarize its main characteristics, often using visualization methods. EDA helps you to identify patterns, relationships, and anomalies in the data. For instance, in marketing, EDA helps businesses understand customer preferences and optimize marketing strategies. Now, let's move to Tableau and Power BI. Tableau and Power BI is a leading data visualization tool. Tableau and Power BI turns the raw data into an understandable format. It is used across various industries for interactive and shareable dashboards. In business, Tableau helps analyze sales trends and track key performance indicators. Now, we will explore artificial intelligence. AI is the broader field where machines are trained to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI includes machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Applications range from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to autonomous robots in manufacturing. Now, let's move to machine learning. It is a subset of AI that uses statistical tools and learning algorithms to build systems that have ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Practical applications include fraud detections in banking, customer recommendation system in e-commerce, and even predicting diseases based on patient data in healthcare. Now, let's dive into deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning where artificial neural networks simulate the human brain to process data and recognize patterns. Deep learning finds applications in image and speech recognitions, autonomous vehicles, and even drug discovery in healthcare. Now let's move to natural language processing. Now NLP focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP powers chatbots, language translation services, and sentiment analysis tools, content creation, and market research. Now we move on to computer vision. Computer vision machines are trained to interpret and make decisions based on visual data from the world. This technology drives facial recognition systems, autonomous vehicles, and quality control in manufacturing, and transforming industries by enhancing efficiency and accuracy. Now, we move on to big data. Big data refers to large and complex data sets that traditionally data processing applications struggle to handle. To tackle big data challenges, we use powerful tools like Hadoop and Apache Spark. Hadoop is an open source framework for processing and storing large data sets, while Apache Spark provides lightning fast cluster computing. Lastly, time series analysis involves analyzing time-ordered data points to forecast future trends. Practical applications include weather forecasting, stock market prediction, and demand forecasting in supply chain management, aiding businesses in making proactive decisions. By the end of this course, you will not only master these concepts, but also apply them to the real-world scenarios. So, are you ready to transform the world with data? Join us with the accelerating journey through Python, SQL, statistics, EDA, Tableau, Power BI, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, big data, and time series analysis. Your passion for technology meets purpose here. Enroll now and let's transform your passion for technology into a rewarding career in data science and machine learning. Thank you.